Okay, to find the volume of this here cylinder, I used the equation, we'll do it here. Okay. Volume equals pi r squared times height, because that is the formula for a volume of a cylinder. And then
look who's here. Oh, sorry.
and so the radius is 5 inches, so times 5 squared, and the height is 12 inches, so I'm gonna put that in. And then and then the volume is equal to pi times 25, because that is 5 squared, times 12. And then pi times 25 is 78.5, or any similar number, times 12. And when you multiply 78.5 by 12, you get a total volume of 942.5. Yeah, cool.
All right, so now we have the volume of our cube, or of our cylinder, I'm sorry. So, is there someone who's brave enough to show us how to find the surface area of our cylinder?
So, to find the surface area, first we need to find the area of the circles, which are these two. And then, so the area of the circle is pi r squared, so radius times radius squared is 25, because 5 times 5 is 25, times pi, which is 78.5. So then we'd multiply 78.5 times 2, because there are two circles there and there. So each of these are 78.5 and 78.5. And you get 157. So then you get 157, and that's the area of the two circles. But then you need to find this length to multiply base times height, and we know the base is 12. So this is 12, and we need to find this, and we can do that by finding the circumference of the circle, and 5, well, the equation for that is diameter times pi, and the diameter is 10, because 5 times 2 times pi is 31.4. So we get this length as 31.4, and then 31.4 times 12 is equal to 376.8. And 376.8 plus 157 plus 157 is the top circles, is 8, and then 6 plus 3, carry the 1, another 3, carry the 1, and 5. So add the decimal, and that's your answer, which is 533.8.
So stand up if that's the answer that you got. If you are reasonably close, in other words, if you're within, say, using 3.14 versus using 3.14159, blah, 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 The one thing that I would like to ask Sam, when we talk about geometry, things do not exist in a vacuum. So 533.8
Inches squared.
inches squared. And what is the volume of the shape? It's just cubed because it's in 3 dimensions, whereas surface area is in 2. All right, so he did switch those things. Yes, so Catherine did notice that he switched the height and the base of the rectangle, but you know, it doesn't matter if you multiply in one order, switch the order, you get the same thing. Okay? Yes.
Fan, put it down.
That is somewhat surprising. Okay? All right. So, on the count of 3, I would like you to say good morning to your classmates as loud as you can. Are you ready?
Good morning! You didn't count to 3.
What a great count of 3.
Good morning!
Can I go get my breakfast?